Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 294 or robbery with violence against or intimidation of persons. Under Article 294, robbery with violence against or intimidation of persons is committed, first, when by reason or on occasion of the robbery, the crime of homicide shall have been committed, or when the robbery shall have been accompanied by rape or intentional mutilation or arson. Second, when or if by reason or on occasion of such robbery, any of the physical injuries penalized in Subdivision 1 of Article 263 have been inflicted. Third, when by reason or on occasion of the robbery, any of the physical injuries penalized in Subdivision 2 of the Article 263 shall have been inflicted. Fourth, when the violence or intimidation employed in the commission of the robbery shall have been carried to a degree clearly unnecessary for the commission of the crime, or when the course of its execution the offender shall have inflicted upon any person not responsible for its commission any of the physical injuries covered by Subdivisions 3 and 4 of said Article 263. Una, pangalawa at pangatlo kong nabanggit ay robbery with homicide, robbery with rape, robbery with intentional mutilation, at robbery with arson. Yung mga sumunod naman ay robbery with physical injuries, robbery with unnecessary violence. These are several special complex crimes, also known as composite crimes or special indivisible crimes involving consummated robbery. Pag walang homicide, rape, intentional mutilations, arson, physical injuries or unnecessary violence, pero may violence or intimidation, simple robbery po ang nakomit niya. Particularly, robbery with violence against or intimidation of persons. Example, Pedro wants to rob Juan of his cellphone. Ang ginawa ni Pedro, sinuntok niya si Juan at naagaw ni Pedro yung cellphone. Ang liability po dito ni Pedro ay simple robbery, not robbery with physical injuries. Ang tinutukoy natin na physical injuries ay serious physical injuries para makonsidered siyang robbery with physical injuries. We will further discuss these crimes and the other special complex crime involving robbery on a separate video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.